So we are about to visit the waterfall. Is behind there. So let's check it out. Oops, I'm burping. You wanna see the water is so clear. It's very nice here. We have to be careful because the water with stones is so slippery. I think we can see the waterfall is anywhere right there. The moment we'll get there. It's look like a mini waterfall. I don't know. I have to be careful to get on this rock. Ugh. Oh my god. I can't believe that I get here again. See? I don't want to swimming or anything on this waterfall. It's particular because it has a hole. It's quite very deep. So it's dangerous because I can't swim at all. Oh, the river is close. See? It's so pretty, right? Get there. You can hear the voice, right? So beautiful! Only you can see the dirt. There is a pipe as well. So it's really not a good place for them to throw rubbish. Actually, I don't really like it. We will just throw rubbish in the water and really damage the nature. I want to say thank you so much for Alfred to give me this for my birthday. Oh, that is mosquito. I really thank you for that. Thank you so much because you know what's going on in my life and everything. Even now, I'm still trying to deal with my own problems and many more. But I really thank you so much for this very nice motorbike. I couldn't afford it if not because of you. So thank you so much for giving me this last year for my birthday. I hope that everything's going well with you. For all that you have done for me, for others, it gave me faith in another religions. It gave me faith into humanity that you help me even though you have your own problem, you have your own needs, but you still make a time to help me with this. So thank you so much, and I hope that one day if you watch this video you realize how grateful I am, how thankful I am for you, that I don't know, sometimes I say thank you to you, then I felt that that means nothing because I couldn't do anything for you. But honestly, if I have something, if I could do something, I would love to do that for you. Not only because of you already give me this present and another presents that you gave me throughout the years that we've been friends for maybe 11 years more. I forgot how long we've been friends, but it is because of you really a kind person. Your heart is pure gold, and I really thank God that I met you, that I can ask you every single thing of my problems, my mental health, and many more actually. Sometimes we thought once in a year, once in a month, but you are way closer than my own people, than people that around me, than my family. Because even though they don't know nothing about everything about you, because I keep it a secret, I don't want people to think that I got a, fortunate. But really, I want to keep it private between you and me. Whoever know you, I hope that they don't tell anything about you. Thank you so much, my friend.
Take me anywhere.